Okay, finishing up this ring here. Milled it on MDX 40. Roland MDX 40 CNC mill. It's a name ring. It's just a band that has a name on it. Getting ready to finish up. You can see we're cutting pretty deep. One pass cutting. And this is milled with a taper ball end bit 0.010 from Bits and Bits. And it's going to be cast, it's cut in jeweler's wax. It'll be cast in sterling silver. And as you can see, here's the name. I'll take it off of here. And I make my own wax tubes. And I pre-size them, in case you didn't see my first video. I pre-size them. So this was a size 9 ring. Little heart that says Willow Eve. And it's size 9. I have to cut off the supports here. And then get ready for casting. Done on a Roland MDX 40. And this is part 2 from the previous video. Thanks for watching, guys.